The next thing that we are going to see is question number 101. Go ahead and read that question for me.
El Nino, the periodic abnormal warming of the sea surface of Peru, a phenomenon in which changes in the ocean and atmosphere combine, allowing the warm water that has accumulated in the western Pacific to flow back to the east.
Perfect. Now here, if you look at the answer choices, in answer choice A, I've got in which, and answer choice B, we got where. In answer choice C, we got in which again. And answer choice D also we got in which. And answer choice E, we got where. Right? So when to use where and when to use in which. So in this case, we got where versus in which. Now, where is basically should be referring to a place.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where is basically should be referring to a place. In which it should be referring to a situation kind of a thing.
Yes, sir.
Right? A situation kind of a thing. Here, what are we talking about? We're talking about El Nino. It's a periodic abnormal warming of the sea surface of Peru. It's a phenomena. So it's kind of a situation.
Yes.
Is it not, right? So therefore, we cannot use where. Hence, we eliminate answer choice B and E. Okay? You understand that?
Yes, sir.
A, C, and D. Between A, C, and D, what is happening? If you look at here, it says El Nino, comma, the periodic abnormal warming of sea surface of Peru, comma, a phenomena. Now, if you give a closer look to the answer choices A, C, and D, in answer choice A, we simply got a phenomena.
Yeah.
In answer choice C also, we got a phenomenon. Whereas in answer choice D, we are using is a phenomena.
Yeah.
Correct? Now here, what is that we need to understand? Peru is not a phenomena.
Yeah.
Peru is not a phenomenon. El Nino is a phenomena.
Yeah.
Correct? So by applying a 3-point rule modifier, we don't want, if I look at the noun followed by a phrase ending with a noun and then followed by the rest of the sentence beginning with a phrase. If you look at the 3-point rule modifier, this guy will also modify this guy.
Yes.
Right? We don't want that to happen. That's like link 2. How do we break this link? By placing a linking verb here.
Yes.
So we need a linking verb because we don't want a phenomena to modify Peru.
Yes, sir.
Right? So we eliminate answer choices A and C. Hence, D is the correct answer. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. This is very important. Small stuff. Right? It sometimes go unnoticed, and when we read it, it sounds good, tastes good, smells good. We got to be very careful and attentive to identify these errors.
Yes, sir.